everyone, welcome to my channel The Coach. In my previous video, I talked about adaptive approaches to do a project. So now you know that adaptive approaches are a very effective method to cope up with the changing environment. So as you know that adaptive approaches are of three types: iterative, incremental and agile. So in my previous video we focused mostly on iterative approach, and this video will be all about incremental approach. Let's decode the incremental approach with a very simple real life scenario. So here on the screen we have a company which is an electronics company, and the owner of this company, Jack, he wants to launch a smartwatch. So the smartwatch which he wants to launch has many advanced features, and to launch this smartwatch in the market it will take around 6 months. And if Jack has to wait for 6 months to launch this smartwatch, maybe his competitors will come up with many new options. He will be far behind from his competitors. So what's the solution? So the solution is to do the project in incremental way. So let's find out how the incremental method can help Jack to deliver the product quickly in the market and to cope up with the strong competitors. So if Jack decides to do this project in an incremental approach, where he decides to launch this smartwatch in 3 versions. So he would be producing, he will be launching the first version 1 as basic version, and then at frequency of 2 months he will be introducing the new versions of the smartwatch. This will help Jack to incrementally launch his product in the market at the frequency of 2 months. So by delivering the product incrementally helps Jack to cope up with his competitors and also understand the market fluctuations. Here is the process how we deliver the smartwatches in 3 basic sprints. So in the sprint 1, we do requirement, design, develop and test, and we give the basic version of the watch to the customer. And then sprint 2 starts, where again we do requirement, design, develop, testing, and we deliver the advanced level. And in sprint 3 we add some more features and deliver the final version of the smartwatch into the market. You can see some distinguishing features of incremental approach. First one is multiple delivery model. So it is a multiple delivery model because you are delivering the product to the client at the end of every increment. The second one is that scope, cost and schedule is variable. So second one is scope, cost and schedule varies. It depends upon how many increments you choose to develop your product. The more the increments you add, the more will be the schedule and the cost will be higher. Main goal to do the incremental approach is attain speed. So if your customer wants a speedy delivery, you can choose incremental approach. And the final one is the phases are incremental. You have to deliver after every sprint. So here we come to a conclusion of this video. In my next video, I'll be talking about agile methodology. Stay tuned. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.